Uganda's High Commissioner to Tanzania, retired Colonel Fred Mwesigye, has praised the cordial relations between Uganda and Tanzania, saying the strong partnership has been key in harnessing oil and gas resources through joint infrastructure development. Ambassador Mwesigye notes that the oil and gas sector in East Africa is no longer a story of potential, but one of progress, execution and opportunity.
This is where regional synergy must move from rhetoric to reality. Geography has already made us neighbors, but in the situation now demands that we become international partners. This means aligning our policies, strengthening our institutions, and most critically, enabling our private sector to lead.
He was addressing delegates on the second and final day of the 11th Oil and Gas Convention at Speke Resort Munyonyo. Uganda and Tanzania are currently fast-tracking the construction of the 1,443-kilometer East African crude oil pipeline, which will connect the Albertine Graben to the port of Tanga in Tanzania.
But let us be clear, this moment is bigger than oil. It is about industrialization, it is about building resilient value chains, it is about turning regional integration from a concept into a working economic system.
His remarks were echoed by Ambassador Yohana Sefue, the board chairman of the Tanzania Petroleum Development Corporation.
Uganda has ignited a promise that extends far beyond its borders. And by fulfilling that promise, requires more than production. It requires integration. The future we seek cannot be built within borders. It must be built across borders.
If managed well, the oil and gas sector will provide the foundation for broader industrialization by supporting manufacturing, boosting trade, strengthening logistics networks, and creating sustainable employment across the region, says the State Minister for Trade, General Wilson Mbadi.
Uganda's oil can therefore become a transformative catalyst if it is linked to the rest of the economy. The building of linkages between extractives and the wider economy can occur when domestic firms are participating in providing the inputs.
Participants concurred that East Africa is creating a new economic corridor, one that connects countries not only through geography, but through shared opportunity.
Oil is coming from the ground, from the environment, from one of the most pristine natural ecosystems globally. For present and future generations, we need to continue to enjoy the beauty, widest range of flora and fauna not seen in many places, and continue to invite others to experience this through tourism.
Dennis Igoa for UBC.